Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smoothie maker blenders that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. This budget-friendly option packs a surprising punch with its 700-watt motor and patented wave action system, which ensures ultra-smooth blending by continuously forcing ingredients down into the blades. With 12 blending functions, this blender is versatile enough to handle everything from crushing ice to making smoothies and purees. The design features a sturdy 40-ounce glass jar, which is not only durable, but also dishwasher-safe for easy cleaning. The stainless steel Ice Saber blades are built for longevity and are capable of handling tough ingredients like frozen fruit and ice cubes. It also comes with an easy pour spout to minimize messes when serving your creations. While this blender offers great value for its price, it does have some limitations. The 700-watt motor is adequate for basic tasks, but may struggle with heavier loads or prolonged use. The design, while functional, is bulkier compared to other compact models on this list. Overall, it's a great choice for anyone on a budget who needs a reliable blender for everyday use. Pros: affordable, durable glass jar, dishwasher-safe components. Cons: limited power for heavy-duty tasks, bulkier design. Coming in at number 4 is the Magic Bullet Blender, a compact yet versatile option that's perfect for small kitchens or quick blending jobs. With its 250-watt motor, this blender may not have the raw power of some of the other options on this list, but it excels in convenience and ease of use. The 11-piece set includes various cups and lids, making it easy to create smoothies, sauces, or even grind nuts and coffee beans. The Magic Bullet's design is lightweight and portable, and its cups are made of high-impact plastic. The crossblade is built to handle a variety of tasks, though it's worth noting that the 250-watt motor is best suited for softer ingredients. While it may not be ideal for crushing ice or blending tougher items like frozen fruit, it's perfect for quick smoothies or light food prep. For its price, the Magic Bullet offers excellent versatility and is a great option for those who need a compact and straightforward blender. However, it's not the best choice for heavy-duty tasks or larger batches. Pros: compact design, versatile 11-piece set, easy to use. Cons: limited power, not ideal for tough ingredients. At number 3, we have the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. This portable powerhouse features a 700-watt motor with pulse technology, making it capable of blending smoothies, shakes, and even tougher ingredients like frozen fruit and ice. The set includes two 16-ounce single-serve cups with spout lids, making it perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. The design is sleek and compact, fitting easily on any countertop. The intuitive push-to-blend system is user-friendly, and all components are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. The included 50 recipe guide is a nice bonus, offering plenty of inspiration for your next smoothie creation. The nutrient extraction capabilities also make it a great choice for health-conscious users. While the Ninja Fit offers excellent performance for its size, it's not designed for larger batches or heavy-duty blending tasks. It's ideal for individuals who need a reliable, compact blender for daily use. Pros: compact and portable, strong 700-watt motor, easy to clean. Cons: limited capacity, not suitable for large batches. In the runner-up spot, we have the Ninja Foodie SS101 Personal Smoothie Maker. With its 1200 peak watt smart torque motor, this blender is built to handle heavy loads without stalling. It features a unique smoothie bowl maker that's perfect for creating thick smoothie bowls, nut butters, and even ice cream. The Auto IQ technology simplifies blending with one-touch programs that combine pulsing, blending, and pausing for consistent results. The design is both stylish and functional, with two 24-ounce nutrient extraction cups and a 14-ounce smoothie bowl. The included hybrid edge blades are incredibly effective at breaking down tough ingredients, making this blender one of the most versatile options on our list. Cleanup is also a breeze, as all removable parts are dishwasher safe. While the Ninja Foodi SS101 offers premium performance, its price point may be a bit steep for casual users. However, for those who want professional-grade results in a compact package, this blender is hard to beat. Pros: powerful motor, versatile blending options, dishwasher safe. Cons: higher price point, larger footprint than other personal blenders. And finally, taking the top spot is the Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Blender. This premium option features an 1100-watt motor and a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher, making it ideal for families, meal prep, or entertaining. The 3 manual speeds, pulse control, and single-serve function provide versatility for everything from smoothies to sauces and frozen drinks. The design is robust and professional. With BPA-free components and dishwasher-safe parts, the set includes 2 16-ounce single-serve cups with spout lids, allowing you to take your creations on the go. The stainless steel blades are incredibly durable and capable of crushing ice into snow in seconds, making this blender a standout choice for performance. While the Ninja BL660 is the most expensive option on our list, its power, capacity, and versatility make it worth the investment for serious smoothie enthusiasts or families. Pros: powerful motor, large capacity, versatile functionality. Cons: higher price, larger size. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.